Hello and welcome to this course on advanced data visualization. My name is Ken Shervin, and I'm a longtime data analyst and data visualizer. What I like to do is create data stories, build dashboards, create network graphs, and use other data visualization types using both proprietary and open source tools. Previously written 2 books for PAC on Gephi, the network graph software. And my visualization work can be found at visual-baseball.com. I want to provide a quick overview of the course and what you're going to cover in this course. And we're going to start with a basic introduction of how we can use a variety of design approaches to help engage our end users. And then we'll move into specific examples and some of the ways we can customize and tailor these to the user. We'll begin with designing exceptional dashboards. Dashboards, very powerful tool or technique condensing or compressing large data sets into a meaningful, often single page display that directs the user toward the information that they need. We're then going to look at creating dynamic visualizations, typically with time-oriented data, something with a timestamp, whether it's seconds, hours, days, months, years, and so on. We'll then look at how we can provide advanced user interaction, giving users the ability to interact, whether it's through filters or linking or brushing or some other technique. We'll then move on to deploying our visualizations, either to a static, such as a PDF format, or as an interactive web-based display. And finally, we'll cap the course by applying best practice principles to our data visualizations. And I wanted to give you a few reasons here why the ability to design advanced visualizations is so paramount, so critical. And as visualization designers, we've really got the ability to take masses of data and turn it into something meaningful through the proper use of context or chart types, helping to steer and guide the user toward the information that's really important in the data and filtering out the noise at the same time. We can do some of this through the use of dashboards where we can aggregate complex data and we can add additional context and meaning in the dashboard. If we've got time elements, as I mentioned earlier, a lot of data now is time-stamped, and we can use this to our advantage as designers to create dynamic displays where our end users can see changes in a data set over time. User interactivity, as I mentioned earlier, we can provide this by giving the user the ability to link or to brush or to drill down further into the data. And it adds a level of engagement and gives the user the ability to discover things that might not be obvious at the start. And then finally, if we create visualizations that are tailored to the needs of the user, we're going to again increase adoption and engagement levels. And that's really what it's all about. We want our data visualizations to have a great impact and to be used by our end users.